Yan. Hello everybody. Ganda na ng likod mo, Jiro. Talikod ka lang.
Kaya kita ba to?
Talikod ka lang.
Para doon, OG Amcor here. Hello.
Pumogi si Jiro, men. Ito na yung pogi. Pogi! Sige na. Sige na. Brazilian.
Ay, magsalamat tayo para sa mga hindi naka-attend ng Holy Week. Salamat karaoke. May mic ako eh. Sige.
Nakikita ko. Panahin ako.
Ang nakikita ko, ayun. Makikita ko.
Ba't di ka naligo? Akala ko ikaw ang unang sasabak. Yan na.
Maluwig ba? Maya-maya
Show
na
the
ng prank.
JBL mic. Low.
This is JBL, guys.
Nakikita ko ang iyong
Hindi.
Di ko alam bakit lumuluhan.
Hanya sa tayo ay harmony ako.
Sige. Nasa
Mababa ka.
native low.
Sige mo.
Hindi lalagyan malilimutan.
Harmony tayo mamaya.
Sa iyo may matamis na ngiti. Nakita ko yung mga ngiti. Di ko alam bakit lumuluhan or ba't masabi. Salamat dahil ikaw yun. Sobrang salamat dahil tayong tulad. Sasayang
Ayan, mas maganda.
kaya hanggang sa uli, mahal kita.
Mahal kita. Sa totoo lang.
Nung una kita nakita, paghihirap. Hindi ako natatakot. Naniniwala ko pag hawak ko ang iyong kamay. Nakikita ko ang iyong mga ngiti. Di ko alam bakit lumuluhan. Di man masabi. Alam mo ba? Salamat. Sobrang salamat dahil tayo to lahat. Sa sayang panahon. Kaya hanggang sa huli, mahal kita. Lakas loob nang sasabihin ang nais na iparating.
Kamusta ka?
Yo.
Ako ang tipong tao hindi sanay sa lahat.
Yes.
Ako ay napakatulong. Wala na akong
At dahil ako hindi sanay sa lahat, nasa bahay lang ako, mag-isa, at kasama ko lang yung Horizon. Pero isang room kami doon. Alam mo ba? Salamat dahil tayo to lahat. Sa sayang mga panahon. At kaya hanggang sa huli, mahal kita. Mahal kita. Mahal kita.
Your score is Fame. 89 daw sabi.
89.99 germs. Yo!
Grabe siya yan. Guys, mahirap magkaraoke ng Horizon song.
Pero maganda yung sumunod, no?
Oo, wag lang mag-isa.
Hindi gumagana.
Pag nagsasabay-sabay sila.
Ang kasama. Salit mo ba out together? Mamaya ka na, alis mo.
So, kamusta nila?
Tara mag...
Pre. Eto. London experience.
Maganda yun. Lundo.
Anong kanta yun?
Lundo.
Anong kanta yan,
Sige,
Lundo?
Magaling ka dyan.
Lindol.
San darating
Lolo na salita.
Ano nga yung chorus nun?
Hindi ko din alam. Lundo.
Human. Try niyo po yung song na Human Nature. Di ba nabibili sa Human Nature? Meron nun, pre.
Nature Spring ata yun.
May voice to riser.
Human Nature. Ano yan?
Pa-swimming, tol. Sige.
Punta ka dito.
Punta ka dito. Or noon ka sa TikTok. Pa-swim.
Swim. Ala, pre. Death or Paradise, please.
Boobs o
-1.
Lala nun, pre. Isang araw dun record nun.
More like sa ether.
Death or Paradise please.
Ano? Lundog. Men, ice book nun kasi mukhang panot ka dyan dito. Kanyang...
Ay, ina.
Pero walang ano yan eh, -1, di ba?
Oh, -1 yan. -1 yan.
Hindi.
Oh, okay pre, may...
Hindi ko kapsado lyrics, men. Lyrics.
We're taking life but doesn't it try? Don't know, so stop, alright. Sun is hiding in the dark, moon rises.
Chorus.
Oh my world's
Ayan.
going upside down.
Eh,
Would you choose between the paradise?
mahirap yung sakit sa ulo yan ng ano eh. Choreo.
We're not between the paradise, but I don't want to stay.
I'll be here till I die.
Take me to some paradise.
I'll be here till I die.
We're not between the paradise, but I don't want to stay.
We're taking life but doesn't it true?
Hindi ko na kapsado lyrics.
Sun is hiding on the earth, moon rise.
Kim, chorus.
Hindi ko kaya yan eh.
Sino mo? Kayo yung dalawa lang kumakanta yun, di ba?
Oo, tayo.
Hindi ko kaya yan. Professional lang gumagawa niyan eh.
I'll be here till I die.
Sa akin is a paradise. I'll be here till I die.
Twilight has come, so then no matter how many nightmares I have, won't give a long way. Am I
Siya yung nagbabasa ng mga comment.
Hindi. Hinahanap ko pa rin yung recording ng mama, sayang. Sige, magla-live na lang ako bukas, tapos papakinig ko sa Anchor.
Maglalasingan na lang tayo na ano dito na video ng lasingan mo. Ano
Pre,
mga kanta?
alam mo yung
Yung beer na to, or ang pag-ibig. Yun ba yun yung kinanta sa Showtime, di ba? Na recently. Yun na yun. Tapos super dramatic nung pagkakanta niya. Ganda.
Temperatures dropping as
Ay,
we
sorry.
speak. Hands on the breeze.
Pre, himala.
Bakit?
Himala. Kanta mo rin.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Totoo.
Basta ito.
Ah!
Lasing. Tara.
Ay, medyo.
Duet tayo.
Sige.
Anong kanta yan, Be?
Ito, piplay ni
Pero
Vinci.
hanap ako ng piano version. Ano ba ang title ng beer? Beer. Pero,
Hindi na to.
sige, yun na yung goodbye song muna. Goodbye song. Ayan,
Ayan.
Itchy Worms.
Search mo lyrics.
Nais kong magpakalasing.
Okay, ito
Para
na.
may ano lang.
Ito na.
Wala ka na.
Piano version to, piano. Para dapat madrama.
Hindi ako, wala akong eyeglass.
Lahat na emotion.
Ito nga oh. Ito may lyrics oh.
Ayun doon.
Yan,
Para to sa mga taong every gabi
Nagpapakalasing ngayon.
nagpakalasing para makalimutan yung pangalan at saka yung Nais kong magpakalasing dahil wala ka na
Parang
Wag ka ano, nagpa-perform siya.
Hindi ko, wala ako sa tournament. Ay, wala ako sa...
kanta ka pre. Tapos magkikanta ka ng parang NNK pre. Pwede.
Hindi ko...
Ano nga, hindi ko din tatanda eh. Dahil wala ka na
Nakatingin sa salamin.
Iisa.
Basta ikaw tulad, ako sa chorus. Ay, sabay-sabay na tayo siguro.
Nang damdamin ko kahit busan mo ng
Ayaw ang mamatay. Ayan na pre. Ay wala pa. Kala ko ibuhos na.
Hindi pa.
Mas
Hindi
lasing
pa,
tong
hindi pa.
nasa polling.
Ito na, malapit na. Yay!
Tara, inom.
Your score is
79.1%. Yung sa likod kasi sila kumanta. Magbalik.
Ayun, yun. Pwede yan magbalik eh.
Magbalik.
Ano yun eh, kabisado naman lahat, pero magbalik is nung feeling famous pa ako sa school.
Ito.
Oh.
Sige.
Nung feeling famous pa ako sa school. Dala lang gitara.
Pati ano pre, Mamosi, para naman pati magazine, alam mo? Sa isang magazine. Zombie.
Ano, ikaw una.
Sige. Ano po? Sige po. Hinaan daw. Sige po.
Okay pa.
Sorry po.
30 minutes pa naman. Thank you po. Sorry po. Thank you kuya. Jiro magbalik ngayon.
Kanta.
Next.
Buko. Ayun. Maganda din.
Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka ba,
Ilayin niyo
basta mahal ka pa.
Mataas.
Ano na lang,
Kahit na lang.
ano to?
You're my Mona Lisa. You're my greatest flight. And my only prayer is that you realize
Alam niyo yung kanta na yan?
Alam ka?
you are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. My only sunshine. You make me happy.
Ano pa ba?
Kantahin mo yung
Maganda mag-karaoke pala din, no?
This was song of madness and dream. And all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really loved someone until you learn to live.
Oh, day 6. Alam mo yung day 6 na kanta na It was so nabaraman na
Mataas yun, man. Ano pang kanta na ano?
Ano mo?
Di ko na kaya ang umarap pa ng iba. Kahit ikaw lang ang tanging sinasamba. Zombie, zombie, pare, makaramdaman ko. Wow.
Ano, OPM, OPM. Tatang isip ko sa'yo.
Awit ng utang ganto. Huling Elbimbo.
Huling Eldimbo na. Sigawan yun, men. Boy, alam mo, maganda. She's gone, boy.
Tayo yun.
Ano na yun? Sakit yun. Hindi na tayo makaboses bukas.
Hawak kamay.
Ako si Piccolo, ang sasali sa iyo. Pre, kanta mo yung demonyo ko.
Oh, isang demonyo.
Ano yung kanta niya? Sabi niya kay Arthur Neri.
Para lumo.
Kanino ba talaga yun?
Para naman by Arthur Best friend naman yun. May best friend naman yun, kaya considered yun.
Siya yung co-writer. Siya yung co-writer niya.
Yung mga ganda din sa mga kanta mo.
Oo, oo, ano.
Yan, sister. Ocean Deep Ani. Ocean Deep Ani.
Parang yung nakaraan yung pinapatugtog mo, ano, Heal the World eh. Heal the World. Ano siya? Paano siya?
We are the world.
Heal the World.
Heal the world.
Yung kay Michael Jackson.
Hindi, we are the world. Oh, we are the world. We are the children. Pero guys, yung lumang version yung pinaplay niya. Yun yung mga sound trip ngayon ni Kim. We are the world.
Marami palang mga artist na ano doon. No?
Oo, marami. Wait, so hindi ko pa alam yung bagong We Are the World kasi luma na yung pinakinggan mo. Meron ng mas bagong We Are the World.
Ano yung paano kanta yung bago na?
Pre-buko.
Yun pa rin, pero iba lang. Oh, ito yung napakinggan mo eh, di ba? Yung for Africa. Ito for Haiti. Now you know.
Ito pang Haiti na
Ito
yun.
16 years ago. Oh, makikita mo lang.
Amazing group of artists and musicians of that
Ay, mahaba pala.
the world. We are the children.
Yan ba yung naglinggo?
Oo. Ay, tsunami. Ano yung nangyari sa Haiti? Tsunami ba o lindol? Sa Haiti.
Travel with peace of mind with our service
Hindi
guarantee.
alam ni natin dyan.
Your next
Tsunami.
starts with trip.com.
Rage is temporary, peace is eternal.
Ganda.
Ganda.
There comes a time
Oh, Justin Bieber.
Ah, sa Justin Bieber.
when we hit a certain call. When the world must come together as one.
Pussycat Dolls.
Parang boses ng Jira.
There are people like you when it's time to look around to life. The greatest gift
Just Ruban.
Mga yung buko.
Yung Marcos, pre, lagi na kasi. Oh my
Ayan.
Ah, dyan naman.
Kapatid ni Michael Jackson, si Janet Jackson. Barbara Streisand. Si Hannah Montana.
So the cries for help will not be in vain.
Parang ano yun?
Enrique Iglesias.
We can't let them suffer.
Si Celine Dion.
We can't
Pero ang gaganda ng mga kanta unang panahon.
Need a helping hand.
Oy! Uy! Boom!
Ano yun? Ganun.
saving our lives.
Ganun yung branding ata niya sa pagkanta.
Iba-iba yung ganda.
Language niya yun.
Hindi, ganun talaga yun.
Style.
We're calling out. This is the way I'll see you are.
Okay.
Okay na yan.
Eh, si Charis, ay, si Charis.
Is yung ano? Anong gandang kanta yun?
Sobrang bagay sa'yo yung mga mabababa talaga.
Alam mo
Tulad ng
naman
kinanta
yung
mo
mga,
sa
ano sa'yo, yung
Pan-
mga
Pangliligaw na kumakanta.
Shawn
Parang
Mendes,
nanliligaw.
Shawn Mendes din dapat sa'yo. No? Yung,
Stitches.
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. Shaking
Bagay na bagay sa'yo yung kinanta mo nung anniversary. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang pogi ng boses. Ito kasi si Jungkook eh. Aste ka lang.
ito si, ano, Sam Smith. Sam Smith. Di ba Sam Smith?
Hindi, pre.
Ano?
Never tell you. Iba yun. Ibang singer yun. Pre. Hindi siya kumanta lang. Back.
That should be me. Sinayaw yun. Ay, iba pala.
That should be me by
Iba pala.
Hebabi.
Justin Bieber.
Pre, parang kanina ba yung Panaginip by Angelica? Alam mo yung kantang yun?
Panaginip ko lang.
Nag-vlog na ngayon si Sam Smith, nakikita niya.
And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry.
Pam Nicole.
Every time
Pam Nicole. Curfew na daw.
it's dry.
Hindi pa guys, mayroon pang
20. Pero bawal na maingay.
Yeah.
Kasi tulog na yung mga neighbors namin dito. Kasi, sorry, kakalipat na namin talaga dito.
As in yun lang.
Bago lang yung bahay namin eh. Pina-blessing ko na tong Airbnb na.
Purong gatsi baka para makikita.
Okay lang.
Naipit din pa ako.
Patay. Naka-ano ba? Nakayabak?
Nakayapak lang ako.
Talon habang mamay. Kanta ba yun?
Ayaw niya sa amin ang umalis. Mas gusto ng maipit na pupunit na yung damit. Sobrang bilis.
Iba din yung... Yun yung gusto ko talaga.
Iba rin yung titig mo sa...
Dito na ako!
Nandito na ako. Dito na yung halima.
Shape of my heart. Ano yun? Shape of my heart.
Shape of You by Ed Sheeran.
May shape of
Guys,
my heart
alam niyo yung
pa
The
eh.
1975? Alam niyo yung
Yeah.
kanta ng 1975?
Maganda yun eh.
Which one? About You?
Shape of my heart.
I like About You. I like...
Chocolate.
Yeah, I like
Tapos
Chocolate.
Shape of my heart.
Yung
It's in
girls.
the it's in the
Girls! Breaking... Girls! Breaking
It's rainy day.
hearts.
It's a rainy day
Just-
daw guys.
It's rainy day!
Rainy day. Bigawa. Siyempre, yung gano'n natin. Bigawa.
Bigawa. Ang lala. Kay Taymin yun eh.
Temi Sundin.
It's Rainy Day by David Sundin.
Bye guys!
Diyan.
We will all
Maganda ba?
swim na.
Yeah,
I
we
can
were
make
going
you
to swim na,
cry, I
guys.
can make you scream.
Swimming.
I can
Swimming
make
time.
you cry,
Swimming
I
sa
can
bed na
make
kami.
you live.
Kami na ang ibe-bless ng pool. Ano ang fave? Horizon
Horizon
song.
Remember.
Horizon song? Ano ako?
Nag-iiba-iba na ngayon akin kasi sa daming nagtatanong na iiba-iba na
Oo
yung
nga eh.
sagot.
Dabi-dabi.
Pero laging ano, odd eye or kaya odd eye
Lunod na sa akin yan eh.
Oo, isa din yun.
Labi-dabi. Lucky.
Dabi-dabi.
Labi-dabi, lucky.
Acapella daw kayong labi-dabi.
Pero lahat naman sila maganda.
Lahat naman ng kanta natin maganda. Walang tapon.
Anong itatapon yung Horizon song? Yun na lang, hindi pa yung natatanong sa akin.
Ayun,
Itatapon.
ano.
Ako itatapon ko...
Yung birthday.
Lahat naman kasi pinaghirapan natin.
Lahat tapon.
Hindi, pero kung ano yung pinaka, kunwari, tinutukan ka lang ba? Sasabi, anong i-delete mo sa Spotify na kanta nyo?
Okay na lang. Ang lunod.
Ba't lunod? Ako birthday, kasi hindi ko natanda.
Birthday.
Ako,
Lahat maganda nun. Lahat maganda.
ako birthday. Kung yun yung, pero gusto ko yun yung birthday, pero yun na yung pinaka, pwede na.
Maganda si ano yun. Lahat sila.
Yeah, si Bullseye sa
Bullseye.
Kasi yung birthday, para na siyang lucky. So, pag nawalan tayo ng birthday, may lucky pa tayo.
Yeah.
16. Parang halos nga party-party, no? Kasi 16.
Oo.
Tapos birthday, tapos lucky.
Pero nung narinig ko yung lucky, inisip ko talaga para na siyang birthday. Kaya sabi ko, talaga.
Yung dati nakanta, lucky!
Hindi.
Micho.
Ano talaga? Lucky. Ayan si Marcus, guys. Marcus Cabais is here. Hey. Kailan mo natin Valorant?
August.
Aray ko!
17. Ang layo. Layo pa. Start tayo mag-practice August.
Nakita yung ay, akala ko ano, nakasulat. Akala ko brand to.
Horizon Kylan yan.
Pangalan mo pala. Slade.
Upo ka pakin.
Go na, may isa pa.
Hello.
Ano din ba? Basta
Anyo, masayo. Urin man eh, oh. Masayo. Ano? Tapos ka na? Pero babalik ka ulit
Kailangan mo
mamaya.
naman-
Babalik pa. Mamaya pa.
Ano
Pero
man,
yung pool
magbanlaw.
until later
Bandaw na.
pwede.
Nag-ano na ako. Kami ni
Yung
Gio.
ingay lang
Lalambigin ka
yung
nun?
dapat 10. Kasi nga may... Di ba bawal na ngayon talaga magkaraoke masyado?
Sa loob. Sa loob.
Dalawa na. Pero sinabi lang pwede yung pahina. Tapos sabi naman hanggang 10. Yung naglilinis sila.
Eh. Favorite post ni Marcos na yan, guys. Eh.
Favorite post ni Kim paano?
Ano ba?
Hello.
Ganun.
Yung ganun. I mean, hindi niya naman post, pero ito yung signature niya. Yung ganun.
Sige kay Marcos.
Ring Aura Farm. Kaya ba kayo nakaganon kanina?
Hindi, piniplex niya kasi yung Chrome Hearts niya.
Si Kai...
Getting roasted now.
Di naman. Yung ano lang, signature mo nga yun eh.
Baliw ka
Iconic.
talaga.
Si Jiro, wala si Jiro.
Ano ba signature post?
Hindi, wala siya.
yung signature post ni Jiro,
Ayun.
yung ano,
Yung-
yung naka-look away siya, nakagano.
Hindi, ganito yung dati niya signature post.
Ah, nakagano. Nakagano.
Tapos ngayon yung
Pero nawala na yun.
Yung cellphone na sa taas na, yun yung signature post ni Jiro.
Ray,
Na selfie.
got ko yung signature post ko sa mukha.
Yung sa face meron, pero yung post wala talaga. Expression. Ako, lagi akong left side.
Cute talaga ng pusa na yun. Oh.
Ang bait niya nga, hindi siya pumapasok ng bahay natin.
Diba? Nakabukas pa ba ito?
Yeah.
Or sa taas na lang.
Kambal daw tayo.
Anong sinib?
Ano hindi magkalayo, no? Sa camera lang. Nako, parang boses na din. No?
Kuya, pero pwede mag-speaker ng onte. 10. Basta hindi po rinig sa labas. Okay. Dude, may free character sa ano, sa ZZZ.
Eh? OP?
Pwede mo nang laruin si Wise. Yung
Eh?
character.
Yung character mismo.
Si Pyrois yung pangalan. Tapos nag-aura farm siya rin.
Malakas siya.
Malakas naman.
Kuya Marco.
Free siya.
Uy,
Tapos ang dami niyang, apat yung ult niya.
pogi. Ah, siya na yun? Yan si Wise?
Oo.
Pogi.
Ganda ng character design.
Nag-aura po.
May up, down, and sides na ult.
Assassin siya.
Ano siya, para siyang nasa loob talaga ni Wise.
Paano nangyari yung story? Eh, kaso...
Ngayon ko pala nilalaro, para siyang
6-7.
past niya na yon tapos
Ay,
na-awaken
oo nga,
lang.
kasi parang,
Meron
di ba
siyang-
parang nagko-corrupt siya?
Oo,
something?
yun.
Yun pala yun.
Nagigising. Na-awaken yung self niya.
Galing ano.
Tapos ang ganda ng character. Nakuha ko na. Lalaroin mo lang yung story, tapos makukuha mo siya libre.
So, siya yung pinaka-OP dyan.
Hindi pa naman. Ang pinaka-OP ngayon si... Yun pa rin, yung dati pa rin.
Pero, ang astig niya, no? Ang astig.
Radiant sign. How do you do the radiant sign?
Radiant.
Tereng. Looks like a heart of spades. Joke.
Yeah.
What is a heart of spades? What's your pet peeve? My pet peeve is when people walk like, for example, there's like a way, right?
Yeah.
And then people walk like tabi-tabi like that. But there's, no spatial awareness, that's my pet peeve.
Ooh.
You?
Oh.
You? You got?
Yung scratching noise ng plate.
Nangingilo ka.
Yeah. Like metal scratching. It's horrible.
Yeah, that is intense. The screech.
Yeah.
Intense screech. Wait, may nagtatanong saan galing yung hoodie ko. My hoodie is from Kashina. Kashina. Kasina. I bought it sa
Ngayon ko
Apgujeong.
lang narinig Ngayon ko lang narinig doon.
Yung backstory niya, tumakas ako para bumili ng hoodie sa Apgujeong. Kasi malapit na tayo sa Apgujeong, di ba? And then, pabalik, nakita ko si Wilson.
Ay, really?
Yeah. I think it was from Apgujeong din. I was like, ay, Wilson.
Scuba.
Part ng bahay yon kasi na, ha 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 ha. K, not C. Kasina.
Evening. Kusina.
Kusina, yun na.
Kusina yun.
Yes. So yeah, that's it. Thank you
Hindi
guys.
daw ba malamok? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. May dala namang off lotion para sa inyo guys.
Our leader is always
Oh my gosh, so
ready,
ibig
bro.
sabihin din pala 3 years na yung album natin ngayon, no?
Yeah.
Our first album.
Grabe.
Yeah.
First and latest.
First and latest, yeah. I'm here.
Ayun.
How long is our album? Because you know what? Ngayon ang sad kasi most albums right now are like 30 minutes long. Pero 21 songs tayo, di ba?
Yeah. That was actually a really big, like, that's a lot of songs.
That's a lot of songs. It's like, whenever they ask us, how many songs are for the album? 21. Kasi gawa ng solo. But without the
Which
solo,
is still a lot.
1,
I
2,
think.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
14
9,
is a
10,
lot.
11. Oh, 12? Why is it 12? 12. Do they have bonus tracks? Oh, it's 38 minutes in Spotify. Pero I guess the physical is longer.
Yeah.
Physical is longer. What's your favorite album mo? Yung dami nag-release ng album.
Octane ni Don Toliver.
The one with yung na black? Yun ba yun? Kung nasan yung body.
Oo, kung nasa nila.
Tong. Tong tong. Harley XCX released her new album today.
Oh, wow.
Next hair color you want?
Black.
Yeah,
Black
this-
forever.
Black forever.
Go pink.
Go pink na.
I think pink is nice for like 1 week. And then
Yeah.
after the week
Actually-
your hair is gonna start drying up and then
Yeah.
it's gonna be
Exhibit.
hard to maintain. Yeah. Kung ma-maintain, then that's gonna be really good.
Test how dry.
Uh-oh. Yeah. I get a bit lazy. So having colored hair is not for
You hated being blonde.
me. Yeah.
When
it
you were
was-
blonde in Korea, you hated that
it
so
was
much.
horrible. Yeah.
He dreaded the blonde era. I love my blonde era.
I actually was the one who pushed to the company.
To go
I told them to go back to black, and then they were like, no, brown only, brown, not fully black.
Brown.
And so I went brown, but then nung umuwi na tayo dito sa Pinas,
That's when you.
that's when I went fully black again.
Did the company turn you black, or did
No.
you you turned
it
yourself
was in
black?
when we went to BGC.
Alam ko yung pinagtatawanan niyo isang araw sa Juno eh. Alam ko yun, naririnig ko yun. Alam ko yun.
Let me show it to you.
Wait. I know that.
Worth it ba magpagupit sa Juno eh? Bro! No shade.
No, oh my god. I think the down perm didn't fit him.
He wasn't the problem. He was
Yeah.
not the problem. It was the hair. The hair color.
It's just the down perm. If he didn't do the down perm, it would have fit. See, like the sides look fine, and then when he does
when
the
he goes
full
front.
frontal, and then you see it's too. That's what
It's too
that's,
flat.
That's what Marcus hates.
Yeah,
he doesn't
I
like
don't
it when
like-
his sides
yeah,
are like
that's
that. That's what he hates. He
It looks
likes it
so
fluffy.
bad.
Parang sa akin babagay yan, no?
Kasi sa'yo pwede. Depende
Nag-down
yun sa
perm na
tao
tayo
eh.
eh.
Hindi pa sa akin.
Sa akin, di bagay.
Di ba ako?
I look like a Roblox character when
Yeah.
I have a down perm.
Oh, we were styled by Juno Hair like multiple times, right? I think I tried this hairstyle.
Yeah. It wasn't horrible on you. It
fine.
really just depends on like the head shape of the
Yeah.
person.
But I was in. Oh. Guys!
Happy
May cake pala. May cake pang pahabol. Ay, hindi pala kita.
Happy
Birthday, Horizon.
Happy birthday,
Horizon. Happy birthday, Horizon. Happy birthday to you.
Daro to. Rasinggan.
Wait, is this mine? Or Horizons?
Oh yeah, it can be yours.
It can be
too.
mine, right?
Yes. That's yours.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wala nang mitse.
I used a wrong finger. It's cream. Thank you guys.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Speak in Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Hola.
Hola, soy
¿Cómo tú te llamas? Yo no sé.
Anime
Forget
recommendation.
about your boyfriend, even if I don't.
Rezero.
Ako,
Solo
Jujutsu Kaisen.
Jujutsu. Have you watched the latest season?
Yes.
Oh, I haven't. Ako, tapos ko na yun.
Yung manga? Or yung seasons?
Season. From
Hindi ko-
0, 1,
Nasa
2.
episode 2 pa lang ako ng season 2 ng Jujutsu. Is season 2 good?
Yeah.
Or like 1 is better?
One is better.
See, that's why I can't... I don't know.
But it's
Panoorin mo rin
depende pa
season 2. Ang ganda ng laban nila ano dun eh. Itadori tsaka ni sino yung
Hindi ko na kilala kung sino yung
may ano dito? Nakalimutan ko ano.
Mahito?
may
Si
blush.
Mahito.
Ay,
oo.
joke.
May blush.
Maganda yung kay
Season 6, oh my
Choso
gosh.
eh.
Si Choso. Angas na.
Oh, speaking of that, did you watch The Menu?
Yeah, I did.
The Menu, where they made the cheeseburger.
Yeah. That's actually a nice movie.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really well made.
Really unique.
Because that dude is Voldemort.
Yeah.
That dude is Voldemort. That's why it's really scary.
Human meat ba yan?
Hindi naman din. I mean, pinapatay niya lang yung mga critics niya. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Serial killer siya?
Hindi. Chef talaga siya. Like, he's a renowned chef. Kilala siyang chef. Tapos, kasi maraming nag-criticize yung ginagawa niya.
Murder
Oo. In-invite niya sa isang isla and then,
inisa-isa niya.
yeah. It was...
Scary.
Favorite memory niyo as a group? Madami! When we eat together sa Korea, I guess. That's a nice...
Wala bang way para mapakita ka din?
Layo na. Uy, naantok ka pa, mahaba pa yung gabi. Magsasalubong tayo.
There you go.
Wink, wink.
May pasok pa daw sila bukas.
Ay, ano ba ngayon? No, it's Saturday tomorrow, unless, I guess,
Baka may pasok
university.
sila.
I watched The Odyssey 5 stars on Letterboxd easily.
So is it like the best Nolan film you've ever watched?
No, I think Interstellar and Memento is my favorite.
Interstellar. You know what? I don't remember watching Interstellar. Wait, is Interstellar the movie na yung na-stuck siya sa space? Hindi. Iba ba
I
yun?
mean, technically, yeah, na-stuck siya sa space. But I feel like most of space
Yeah,
movies
maganda yun.
stuck sa space.
Yung may alien.
May iniisip akong iba ata na movie na na-stuck sa space tapos parang kailangan niya.
I like
Hindi yun.
Interstellar.
Bago yun eh. Parang luma na din. Parang time ng Interstellar. I think it was it.
Martian.
But kasi akala ko Interstellar and then I saw clips of Interstellar. I was like, I don't think I've seen
Grabe
this.
nakakaiyak din.
The Martian. Oh, maybe it was The Martian.
Nakakaiyak yun.
The Martian. Oh yeah, it's The Martian.
That's Matt Damon too.
Yeah, but it's not Christopher Nolan, right?
It's not.
It's not. It's
Bro, you should watch Memento.
Memento. That's Nolan.
Memento
Mori.
Oh.
Hindi, Memento lang. Memento lang. It's so crazy.
It's It's Ridley Scott. Wait, Ridley Scott. Isn't that Ridley Scott? Alien. Oh, he made Alien.
The Alien.
Wee Croissant. Huh? Jujutsu Kaisen.
No,
Favorite
this is my letterbox.
character.
My top 4 is Begonia, Shutter Island, American Psycho,
And what's that?
Dial M for Murder.
I don't know
It's a
that.
1954 film.
Sheesh! I haven't watched that.
So good though.
Old film. Nagsiswimming din si G. Ngayon nagsiswimming si ano. Nag-heart to heart talk sila. Gusto niyo makita.
What's happening? They're having a pep talk. Wow.
Yeah, that's what we do in our anniversary.
Guys, minsan lang to.
What's Doomsday?
Avengers Doomsday. Seated. December.
Ayun, tagal pa.
December. Pero yung Spider-Man, this week. Next week.
Yeah.
Next week.
Yeah, labas na nga yung mga
Papanoorin ko
Kiddie
nga.
Meals eh. Ay, Kiddie Meals ba?
Yeah.
McDonald's.
Sa
Happy Meal?
Happy Meal.
Brand new day. Panoorin ko yan.
Parang...
Napanood ko lahat ng Spider-Man. Subaybayan ko kaya solid po.
Wow, meron daw college graduate na. Fan panood remaker. Sheesh.
Congrats.
Congrats on graduating. Who's your favorite Spider-Man? Tom or Andrew?
Andrew
Or
Garfield.
Toby?
Andrew
Real.
ako.
Andrew Garfield, yeah.
Really? Oh, sheesh.
My favorite. And
Well, hindi ko masyado napanood si Andrew.
the best Spider-Man. Then, Tom Holland is good too.
밥 먹었어? 예. 예, 먹었어요?
Thoughts sa Obsession.
Nice movie. I also like Obsession. Obsession was nice. I think Obsession was better than The Backrooms,
I haven't watched
but they
Backrooms.
were both nice releases.
I haven't watched Backrooms.
I
I'm
watched
planning.
Backrooms.
Sawadi ka.
Tapos ko na yung Backrooms. Grabe, hindi ko magets yung
Yung
story.
Backrooms, nakakalito nga yun.
Yung sa huli, parang sa huli yung babae na gano'n na lang.
No.
No.
I would rather.
The game is... Oh, have you played Backrooms?
No,
Ay, meron na. Ganong, yung...
But it's a game talaga, di ba?
Andun talaga. Same talaga. Andun din si yung captain, yung
Ay, we?
andun din. Siya yung nangahabol siya. Pero dun, ang bilis tumakbo.
We?
Di ba yung sa
Ay, parang
movie,
nakita ko yun sa
Iga-Iga?
TikTok.
Oo, Iga-Iga
Tapos
siya.
gumaganon
Siya, ang bilis. Nahabol ka talaga.
You have Letterboxd?
No. I should nga. I keep forgetting.
Letterboxd.
Because I keep watching movies and then I
Yeah,
forget that I
psychological
watched.
But
stuff.
like Letterboxd, when like for the
Backrooms,
first
more
week,
psychological
it's like
stuff.
parang
You forget?
you forget to log like movies. Pero the more you do it, it's gonna become like muscle memory. Like after you watch a movie, you're gonna open
you're gonna
Letterboxd. You're gonna look at the comments. It's really nice.
I should. I just feel bad that I've forgotten what I've watched already.
Ah yeah.
Because I've watched a lot of films. I think since 20... I've been watching so much films since 20... Before pandemic. 2019 maybe?
These are all the films that I logged.
How many na yan? Does it show the total?
135.
I think that's mine too or more. But I don't recall. Sometimes I forget that I've watched films. I
Did
think
you
I
watch the drama?
the drama. Yeah, wait.
Kay Zendaya tsaka Robert Pattinson.
No.
Oh, you should-
haven't.
you should watch it. You should watch it.
The last Robert Pattinson movie I watched was Mickey 17. Yung marami siya. Yeah.
Well, Robert Pattinson is in the Odyssey.
Yeah. He's so funny.
Favorite movie genre? Psychological thrillers.
Dark comedy.
Oh, the comedy is good too.
I
Dark
love dark
comedy.
comedy.
Ikaw?
Horror.
Horror?
Favorite niya.
Horror and same lang yun, thriller and
Yeah, I mean that's
ba?
different.
action. Yeah, action too. I like.
The drama is kind of dark comedy, I think. May pagkagatan.
Oh, is it?
Like the movie, the drama.
The drama.
Gusto ko rin movie yung maganda yung plot.
Yeah. Kahit ako nga, kahit konti lang yung budget ng movie, pero kung
Yung
maganda
plot,
yung plot, may enjoy ko talaga.
Ma-enjoy ko rin.
Oh, minsan sa cast ako.
Ah,
Sometimes I check the cast and if I've seen someone, their film before, I'm like, I'm gonna watch more films of theirs.
yeah.
And then sometimes, sa K-drama naman, when was the last time you watched a K-drama?
Oh, ages ago, bro.
I just watched...
Maybe last year or 2 years ago.
Agent Kim, you should watch. Try to watch.
Oh yeah,
Agent
it's
Kim.
on Netflix right now. It's like top.
Agent Kim.
I just finished Teach Me a Lesson. It's really nice. It's really good.
Yes. Dahil sa gami, ownin.
Aunin it.
Own it.
Aunin it.
Ownin it.
Gusto niyo nalilito kayo, watch Tenet.
Oh yeah.
Tenet, yeah. If you want,
Nolan, Christopher Nolan,
yeah,
you know?
if you want to watch a movie that you
Oh.
wouldn't understand, it's Tenet
Yeah.
by Christopher Nolan.
I want to rewatch it nga because I feel like I'm gonna appreciate it more on the second watch.
Tenet's so hard to understand. Project Hail Mary thoughts. I like the stone baby, alien.
I just didn't expect it to be like a drama. I was expecting it to be like, oh, that's
Ako
crazy.
din. Nakala
Oh my
ko
gosh, that
ganun.
was mind blowing. I didn't know it was gonna be like, oh.
Nakakaiyak pala siya.
Yeah.
I Will Find You. No. I haven't watched I Will Find You. What's that? Best cartoon movie?
Cartoon movie.
Cartoon movie to recommend.
Soul.
It's a good one. I just watched yung Beaver. I forgot the name. Where SZA has a soundtrack.
Oh.
That was really nice. I just watched it this year. But I love Zootopia. Zootopia 1. Yun yung first kong iniyakan na cartoon.
Seryoso ba? Zootopia 1.
Zootopia 1. I cried. Ay, meron bago ngayon sa HBO eh. Yung
Yeah,
they're gonna kill us. They're gonna kill you. That's really nice.
Kinancel ko yung subscription ko sa
HBO.
Kasi I just did it for
It's nice. It's a fun watch. They will kill you.
Nung tinapos ko yung I canceled na yung subscription ko sa HBO.
Ang tagal na nun ah.
That was like last year.
Last year pa. Ginagamit ko lang yung sa friend ko eh. Game of Thrones, no.
Nope.
Not a Game of Thrones person.
Nope. And I just think it's knowing how the ending is.
Oh, I
there's
don't
just-
know.
I have no motivation to watch it.
Wait, are we talking about the first one? Kasi di ba ngayon meron ngayon yung
May pangalawa?
like a spin-off, like the dragon thing.
I don't know. I'm just talking about like the
the
main,
OG.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know how it ends.
Yeah.
What's a movie that you'll never forget kasi napaka messed up ng plot? Shutter Island for sure.
Shutter Island, Requiem for a Dream. What's like traumatizing?
For me, I'm never gonna watch Hereditary again.
Oh, Hereditary.
And Midsommar, yeah, those are like once in a lifetime things, but not in a good way, in a traumatic way. And I think Forgotten is really the Korean movie Forgotten. It's really messed up. Oh my gosh. Weapons or Sinners? Fun watch, Weapons, cinematography, Sinners. So,
I haven't watched Sinners.
Sinners really nice.
I should watch.
You should watch it in 4K or whatever. Ganda ng cinematography. Kasi the aspect ratio changes throughout the movie. Yeah, that's why it's like very immersive. Like, what? Have y'all seen Scott Pilgrim? Of course, I've watched Scott Pilgrim. Fave Marvel movie, anything Doctor Strange. Colony, Winston has watched. Falsetto! Falsetto! Someone's telling me to do falsetto.
Oh, that's my greatest enemy.
Falsetto.
I remember when we first debuted, and I was like going through puberty.
Yeah.
There was literally nothing
No
would come
falsetto.
out. Yeah, zero.
Now,
Ngayon,
the device that we're using, 10%. Once it dies,
we're out.
we're out. Bring her back. Oh, I've seen that. That's messed up too.
Have you watched The Others?
No.
It's about like movie about ghosts.
No.
Oh my god, I think you'll enjoy it.
The others. Oh, 2001. Oh, Nicole Kidman. Okay, I like Nicole Kidman.
It is crazy. That movie.
Oh my gosh, he looks. Okay, I've seen. Oh my gosh, that kid. Does he look like that? I mean, no shade.
Yeah, that is like
Oh my god, that's scary.
like genuine. That genuinely terrified me. That movie.
Yeah, old movies are scary.
Yeah. Hi, Erica. She's my Team Yay.
Contest.
No, the co-stars from Team Yay.
Do you read Wattpad? No.
Mulholland Drive was really messed up. Any David Lynch film is messed up, in my opinion. There's just no reason.
Wait, what David Lynch?
Like, I feel like you need to know what you're getting into if you're gonna watch a David Lynch film, or else it's just gonna creep you out and you'll never watch it again. But I liked Mulholland Drive and Lost Highway. That was pretty cool.
No, I haven't watched any David Lynch.
Not traumatizing, but just like it's gonna be like, what the heck did I just watch after you watch it?
Yeah, no, I haven't watched any. Twin Peaks? Oh, it's a show. Oh, he does shows too. I didn't know that.
They said Twin Peaks is amazing. I haven't watched it.
Red. Comedy movie that will make you laugh. I loved Rough Night. That's my favorite comedy movie. With my sisters too. That's her favorite. I don't think you watch comedy that much, right?
I'm not a big fan of comedy. I'm not a big fan of romance and comedy.
Oh, I love rom-com sometimes. When I need a little cleanse. When I watch something so traumatic,
Oh, yeah.
I watch rom-com sometimes.
Pag
Guilty
comedy,
pleasure.
Pag comedy, show ako. Netflix show. ganun. Pero hindi ako nanonood ng comedy na movie. I'm watching The Office right now.
The Office. Oh, I haven't started.
It's funny.
Meron na siyang may bago na siyang spin-off na yun.
Yeah?
Yeah. But it's a different show altogether, but still in The Office. Same creator, I think. Live action Avatar, no. Yeah, Ready or Not, I've watched a lot of that. Young Sheldon, napanood mo na daw?
Nope.
No. I know about it, but
Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad is good.
favorite Pinoy movie,
I don't know too many Pinoy
Starting
movies.
Over Again.
Y'all should watch My Two Mommies. I think it was a pretty good movie.
Yeah, I like the
Good.
kid there.
Yeah, good
The
plot.
one with the French accent.
The kid's acting skills need some work.
Really,
That's like the one flaw, in my opinion.
I mean, for a child actor, that was like Grammy win, Oscar, Grammy win, music.
oh
pala.
my gosh, I remember.
That was like
I
Golden
remember
Globe.
vividly.
That was a Golden Globe performance.
I remember vividly. During a scene that I had to cry.
During that,
For the movie, right? I had to cry, and I'm not a good actor. I mean, like, I'm not experienced, so I'm not used to crying on command. So we would have like three takes kami na walang lumalabas na luba. And then the director, props to the director, he like had a one-on-one. He told everyone to leave the room, and then we had a one-on-one, and he started attacking me. And he was like telling me, no, not physically.
Okay,
Like he was like think about this.
Oh, like feeding you bad thoughts.
Yeah, feeding you like horrible thoughts. And
Your
then,
blah blah dies.
Yeah. And then boom, and then I did it.
Yeah.
And I just kept going.
So it worked.
It worked, yeah. And then I remembered the feeling, and then I just activated it again.
The director was like, "What should I do to make this kid cry?"
It worked though. It worked.
I haven't tried that. Yeah, I haven't tried acting, so I wouldn't know how hard that would be. But I think
I feel like I would enjoy acting more now.
But
Since-
what do you think would be your forte genre if you were an actor right now?
Thrillers.
Thriller.
Thrillers is gonna for Yeah.
So would you want to be the role of like the creepy kid or like the kid that gets creeped out?
The kid that gets creeped out.
Okay.
Yeah, the kid, I feel like it's hard for me to look scary.
Anong gusto mo sa diptyque? Thumb down, no? Lion King experience.
Lion King experience. I think Lion King is the reason why I'm like, I don't know. I became, it's like,
You became a performer.
yeah, like more performer. I feel like it's being an actor in movies and musical are very different. And if you act in a musical, everything has to be exaggerated,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it even looks unnatural.
Yeah, like you should be very
It actually
animated.
has to look unnatural, but it works. Whatever works. Yeah. Come to London. Let's
It's
go.
it's very normal for like an actor to have foundations in theater
Yeah.
and then transition to film or television.
Yeah.
I think it's a nice foundation to have.
Kasi super exaggerate yung
Yeah.
musical. So like if you want to transition from musical to movie, then you just have to
Yeah.
lessen it.
I think the other way around would be harder.
Yeah, it would be harder to like learn something you don't have.
Comfort song right now. Let's see.
We both looking at our Spotify.
Let's see, because I have a lot of songs that I listen to. The Ryan Beatty album, Sweet Fortune. Comfort song. I like
Playground Love by Air.
Air. Is it a new thing, new release?
No, old.
This is a new release. Motivation for anchors. Anchors, keep doing what you're doing. Keep
Yeah.
working if you're working. Because the economy is hard right now.
It is.
So you should hang on. We will make more new music for you.
Hoary Wave was so fun.
Thank you so much to all of the people who were behind that.
Yeah. It's always fun to like have a stage na we have
Full control.
control, because that's what makes us performers, and it's fun to have creative touches. Percent.
5%.
Tofi, what are you doing here, Tofi? Tofi, stop.
Hi, Tofu.
Maglalaro pa ba yung Ravens sa ML? I think they will play ML again, but I won't be joining it anymore. Only because
Graduate na.
I realized that there's levels to this, and I'm just not great with mobile games, like I'm more comfortable.
애들아 너무 보고 싶어. 보고 싶어요.
Is
오랜만이다.
that someone we know, or
Yeah, that fan,
yeah?
that specific fan,
Ash?
she always goes to our music shows in Korea.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I remember. I don't think she has changed her profile picture since then. She was always watching.
Wow.
She was a Filipino in the
Oh,
music.
okay, now I
yeah, she was.
remember.
She was the one screaming a lot.
Wow.
She
Big
should have a
props.
fan cam. She should have a fan cam.
Yeah, true.
She was in Music Bank. She was in Musiccore, in Arirang, and Countdown maybe even.
Rom-com, the drama. Go watch the drama.
I just watched voice voicemail for Isabel. Yeah, I just watched it last night. It was a good rom-com. I haven't watched a good rom-com in a while, and that was a good rom-com. It's on Netflix. Fave Filipino song, I think any four of spades.
Favorite Filipino song.
Or any... There's a band I'm listening to right now, New Lore. Really good music. I think they're a band from CSB. Or I might be mistaken. Oh, Coach Bay!
Oh, hello,
Coach Bay! So thank you so much for your message during Horror Wave.
That was, I didn't expect that at all. That's
Thank
crazy.
you so much. We miss you so much. See you soon, see you soon!
See you soon, Coach Bay. See you soon. See you next month when I go there.
He's gonna go here too.
Oh, right. He's gonna go here before that. Yeah. Very cool.
Oh, I think the day 민치 혼자 있어요. 네. 네. Favorite Korean food, roasted tteokbokki. Right now, I am craving roasted tteokbokki. I actually DM'd Shanti. I was like, Shanti, you need to give me a place where I can get good roasted tteokbokki here. Because Lapilus gave us good roasted tteokbokki when we were in Korea, when we first arrived, and it was really good. So I'm in the hunt for a good roasted tteokbokki. That's the moon, guys. That's the moon. There, in Katipunan. There's really good roasted tteokbokki. Nandito yung members. Oh no. That's a cat. What was your honest reaction sa swim? Very scared. And I was, katabi ko si Miss Ann Curtis that time. Miss Ann Curtis was beside me and I didn't know what to do. I was like, because I'm a big fan of Miss Ann Curtis. So I was nervous and starstruck both at the same time. That was my vibe. Yeah. Thank you guys for wishing us happy 3 years. Thank you so much for all the anchors, and yeah, thank you for listening to our music, and we hope to release more soon, really soon. We will be going on vacation for some time, so if you miss us, please stream our latest songs, Lunod and Fly With It. But yeah, we will be taking some time off, and we will be seeing you very soon, hopefully with new music. Please vlog. You guys, I'm a homebody. I don't know what to vlog if I would be vlogging. 1%, okay, we're almost done. More rapping parts. Oh, that's scary. Rapping parts are very intimidating for me. Thank you, anchors. 3 years. We will see each other soon. Nainit na. Thank you. Oh, ang tagal niyo malubat, guys. Ah. So we will have chances to meet you guys. We really miss our Visayas, Mindanao people, our fans from other sides of the Philippines. So please just request us and we will try our best to fly to you and fly with it. Thank you for the lovey-dovey. Of course. Anything for the anchors. Here are the other members. But we cannot show their bodies because they are shirtless. Guys, palobot na. Bye-bye kayo. Bye-bye. All the ways I say it in a secret language.